Okay. Now, how do you fill in your tax account details? How do you fill in your tax account detail? Because if you take a look at your account, you see that you can't publish any book yet because you say your account information is incomplete. So what you need to do here is click on update now. Click on update now, which is going to take you to this new page. Now in here, you will see that okay, you filled in all those informations, but I'm making this video because many of you couldn't fill in the tax information. So you scroll down and click on complete tax information, and this page is going to open. Now you click on individual, you click on no, you're not a US citizen, or if you're a US citizen, say yes. Now you click on no, you are not acting as an intermediary agent on behalf of another person. Now immediately you click on that, a new option is going to come out below where you select your country. Now from Nigeria, so I'm going to click on Nigeria, and then you fill in your permanent address. You've already filled that, so all you need to do is click on continue. Now, this taxpayer identification number is going to pop up, but because we don't have one yet, so you click on I could not or have not obtained TIN for my local authorities, and then you click on continue. Now this other sign and submit option is going to come out immediately. Now you click on this the I consent to provide electronic signature. It's going to be ticked, and then you click on this I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person identified on line 1. Just click on tick, and then you type in your name. Now that is in line 1, which is your name, which was shown above there. So you just scroll back down, or no need for you to even go up there. Just go down, and then you see where an option where you can write or fill in your name. Now you see signature, which is type your full name. So you just type in your name. My name is Victor Aniekan, so I just simply type in Victor Aniekan, and then no need to change the date. You just click on save or continue, and your information is updated. You already have a tax account on Amazon. So what you need to do now, because your information have not yet been saved, is to scroll down and click on submit form. Once you're done with that, click on exit interview. You can download your tax slip, but there's no point. If you want to have a copy, you can download it down there, but simply just click on exit interview, and immediately you'll be brought to this page immediately. But don't log off immediately. Just scroll down and then click on save. Don't log off immediately. Scroll down and click on save, and your information is updated. And once you go back to your bookshelf, you will notice that you can immediately publish your books. So it's as simple as that. So in the next video, I'll show you how to find the best-selling book and design your book cover.